Water is one of the most valuable resources required for all living organisms to survive on Earth. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water and life can't exist without water. Welcome to ASH Little Topper. In this video, we are going to learn about the water cycle, in which we come to know what is water cycle, various stages of water cycle, and how the rain is formed. What is water cycle? The water cycle is a process in which the water evaporates from the surface into the atmosphere, cools and condenses through the rain in clouds, and again falls on the surface with the process of precipitation. Water goes through all states of matter like solid, liquid, and gas. This is also known as hydrologic cycle. How is rain formed? Due to the heat of the sun, water in the ground evaporates and produces water vapors. The water vapor that accumulated in the atmosphere eventually cools down due to the low temperature and forms water droplets. Later, water droplets combine with dust and smoke particles to form cloud droplets. Large number of cloud droplets combine and falls down as rainfall. During the process of water cycle, water changes its state from one phase to another, but the total number of water particles remains the same. In other words, if it were possible to collect and boil 100 grams of water, it will still retain a mass of 100 grams as steam. Stages of water cycle: evaporation, transpiration, sublimation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Due to sun's warmth, water from ground rises into the air in form of water vapor, which is called evaporation. The water vapor that accumulated in the atmosphere eventually cools down due to low temperatures. These vapors become tiny droplets of water that form clouds, which is called condensation. The water droplets combine with dust and smoke to form cloud particles. Huge number of cloud particles combine to form clouds. These clouds strike each other due to the wind movement, resulting in the form of rain, and fall back to the earth's surface, which is called precipitation. After the rainfall, the majority of water will sink into the ground and collect as groundwater, which is called collection. Evaporation converts a substance from a liquid or solid state to gas. The transfer of water from Earth's surface in the form of water vapors to the atmosphere. Evaporation takes place when the water touches its boiling point, which is 100 degrees. The process of evaporation includes transpiration, which is the transfer of water from the minute pores present on the leaves of a plant in a form of water vapor to the atmosphere, is called transpiration or total evaporation. The process of evaporation also includes sublimation. Sublimation is the process of directly converting solid into a gaseous state. The vapors can also be formed through snow or ice without even converting it into the water. Condensation is the process of conversion of vapors again in the liquid form. The water vapors accumulated in the atmosphere eventually cools down due to the lower temperature found at high altitudes. These vapors become tiny droplets of water and ice, eventually coming together to form clouds. Precipitation occurs when the air cannot hold any more water droplet. The process of again falling off the water droplets on the Earth's surface is called precipitation. The clouds strike each other due to wind moment resulting in a form of rain and fall back on the Earth's surface in the form of rainfall, hailstorm, snow, or sleet depending on the atmospheric temperature. Collection is which the water from rainfall does not form aquifers. It follows gravity, often following down the sides of mountains and hills, eventually forming rivers. The majority of water will sink into the ground and collect as groundwater, which is called collection. This process of water cycle is a cyclic process that has no end or no beginning. The main advantage of this cycle is that there is no loss of water and the water present in the ocean always remains to its level. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel ASH Little Topper. Thank you.